I am going to be drawing a beautiful drawing of Beariemice. I will try and put a picture of her somewhere. I'm not that good at editing, so I can't promise that. But so today we're gonna draw her avatar. Let me look at it. Yes, I'm done painting. This is my backup account because I have 3 diamonds. Because I'm rich. So my computer's probably making noise. That's fine. This is a backup account, so I have a hyena. Don't ask why. So, if you can see, that's my art up there. It's ugly, I know. So today we're gonna be drawing this. Wait, what is her main animal? Oh, that's a pet. That's a pet. Come on, computer. Can I click on it? Oh no. Oh no. There we go. Okay, it's not that. I don't think any of these. Does she even have a main animal? No, not it. This beautiful. This is it. Or this one. No, this one. This is absolutely beautiful. This one's is ugly. So we're doing this one today. I know. It's the butterling. I had one, but it just gone. I'm not gonna buy another one because I was gonna walk all the way to Coral Canyons, but no thank you. Okay, let's draw. Whee! Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start off with a nice butter yellow. This. Oh wow, I'm so silly. I didn't even draw a base. Okay, whatever. Here is her body. I know, great guys. Gonna fill that thingy in. That's a nice looking blob. No, I don't want the pink. No, we're gonna give her an arm. She looks like a phantom. I'm gonna do. Oh my god, guys, this is turning out so nice. I'm like really impressed that I could create this art. Oh my god! I love it. Does Fox have 4 feet? I don't know. I'm just giving an extra 2 legs. That's fine. Forgot what it looks like. Okay, now for the crown. On the best part. A nice royal blue. That was more like a dark dead blue. Okay, that's good. Oh, I don't want the paint hole. Bloop, bloop. Wow, that's great. My mom's probably gonna come in and be like, "Who are you talking to?" Beautiful. But can I fill that in? No, I can't get it. No, I'm just gonna be a lot easier. Bloop. There we go. Oh, what if I do that though? So big boy, and you go bloop. That's what you do over here too. Oh, dang it. Oh, whatever. I needed to round it out anyway. Dang it, I just made it smaller. Oh, you don't use the big one. This kids is why you do one line. Oh! Just do that. That's fine. Whatever. Leave it. We're gonna use the same gold to do another. Probably switch the size. Bloop, 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 doot, doot, doot. And the eyes are the best part. Ready? Are you ready for this? Oh, shit. It's terrifying. I'm gonna do even smaller one. There's a weird eyes. No, I'm gonna do gray. Where's gray again? Oh. I need a gray that's like actually gray. Like a dark gray. That was blue. Why did I use the blue? Wait, what color is this? Dang it. Dang it again. What color is this? Oh, I have to use the paint tool. That's poop brown. Okay, just cover that little mess up. Okay, I'm gonna use a different gray because I suck at colors. I went into the reds. No, we're not going over there. Dear, no, don't do it so high up. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. No. Gonna fill that in with a different gray. That's a really ugly gray. I'm actually gonna make, oh no. I'm actually gonna make this one black. There we go, there we go. Now we need white. Oh god, that's horrifying. What do their mouths look like? And, oh my god, that's terrifying. That's the key point here. I'll give her. Do you have eyelashes? I'm gonna give her eyelashes. Boop, boop. Eh. Wow, I'm drawing with a mouse, by the way. That's why this is even more beautiful. Okay, now we need a mouth. I need my signature because it's great. I'm just gonna write my signature from my main account. That is ugly. Cover the thing up because no, we don't have ugly mistakes in our territory. Wow, wow. There we go. That looks like wow, 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 wow. And just cover that mistake because we don't have mistakes here. We have failures. And that's gonna write her name. Okay, she's probably not. Beautiful. So, thank you for watching my beautiful art tutorial. I hope you learned some skills in life because this is an absolute masterpiece. It's gonna be in the masterpiece party. Yeah. Bye!